ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my Haley C YouTube channel, ready to melt stubborn arm fat and reveal toned, defined arms, all in just 10 minutes. This seated, no equipment workout is designed to sculpt your arms, tighten loose skin, and boost your confidence from the very first round, whether you're a beginner or getting back into fitness. Every move targets your biceps, triceps, and shoulders for visible results. Grab a seat, stay consistent, and let's transform those arms together when it comes to losing arm fat. The goal isn't just to make your arms smaller, it's to help them feel stronger, lighter, and more defined. Arm fat often builds up because those muscles don't get used enough in daily life, and our circulation slows down from sitting for long periods. That's why this session focuses on reactivating those muscles with slow, controlled movements that wake up your body from within. You don't need to rush or strain. What matters is connection. Feeling every contraction, every stretch, every breath. As you start to move, think of it as reminding your body what it's capable of. The warmth you feel isn't just physical, it's your energy coming back online. So as we begin, stay tall, stay mindful, and let every rep be a signal that you're ready to change. Before the real sculpting begins, we need to prepare the body to move with strength and control. The warm-up is your foundation. It's what signals your muscles, joints, and nervous system that it's time to activate. Simple movements like shoulder rolls, arm circles, and light stretches might seem small, but they make a powerful difference. They improve circulation, increase flexibility, and prevent tension from building up once the intensity rises. As you move, focus on your breathing. Inhale deeply through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and feel your body come alive. This isn't just physical, it's mental. You're setting the tone for how you'll show up in the next few minutes. Every roll, every stretch, every breath is part of the process. Don't rush it. Warming up is where focus begins and alignment takes shape. Now that the body feels awake, it's time to move into the part where real toning begins. This is where you start to feel your muscles working, your breath syncing with movement, and your energy shifting. The goal here is control, slow, steady repetitions that create resistance without needing weights. Each small pulse, each extension is shaping your arms and improving muscle endurance. Keep your shoulders relaxed, your posture tall, and your movements precise. You'll notice the heat building up, that gentle burn that tells you your body is responding. That's not just fatigue, it's progress. These moments of tension are what sculpt and define the arms over time. Stay focused, breathe through the challenge, and let your rhythm carry you. Remember, consistency and control are stronger than speed or intensity. This next part is where we shift from simply moving to truly feeling. Every repetition now becomes an opportunity to connect deeper, not just with your body, but with the intention behind each motion. When you lift or extend your arms, don't just go through the motions, focus on the muscles you're working, feel the contraction, the stretch, and the control in every second. This is what's called the mind-muscle connection. It's what turns ordinary movement into transformation. The more aware you are of what you're doing, the more effectively your body responds. Keep your breathing steady and your thoughts focused on the muscles activating. It's about precision over power, awareness over speed. This kind of focus trains not just your arms, but your discipline and patience too. Now that your arms are fully awake and your body feels stable, it's time to turn up the energy just a little. This next phase is all about maintaining control while increasing intensity. We're not chasing speed, we're building rhythm, endurance, and focus. These faster pulses and small consistent movements elevate your heart rate, helping your body burn more energy while keeping the muscles fully engaged. You'll feel the burn deepen, the arms grow warmer, and maybe even start to shake a little. That's your body adapting, growing stronger with every second. Keep your posture tall, shoulders relaxed, and breathing steady. This is the moment where effort meets progress, where discomfort starts turning into transformation. Trust that what you're feeling right now is your body doing exactly what it's meant to do. Change. Now that your arms are fully awake and your body feels stable, it's time to turn up the energy just a little. This next phase is all about maintaining control while increasing intensity. We're not chasing speed, we're building rhythm, endurance, and focus. These faster pulses and small, consistent movements elevate your heart rate, helping your body burn more energy while keeping the muscles fully engaged. You'll feel the burn deepen, the arms grow warmer, and maybe even start to shake a little. That's your body adapting, growing stronger with every second. Keep your posture tall, shoulders relaxed, and breathing steady. This is the moment where effort meets progress, where discomfort starts turning into transformation. Trust that what you're feeling right now is your body doing exactly what it's meant to do. Change. As we come to the final part of this session, it's time to slow things down and allow the body to recover. Cooling down isn't just about stretching, it's about letting your body absorb the work you've done and bringing your mind back to a calm, centered state. These next few minutes help your muscles release tension, reduce soreness, and restore balance after all that effort. Take deep, steady breaths as you stretch through the arms and shoulders, feeling the warmth ease into relaxation. This is the moment to appreciate your effort. Every pulse, every burn, every second you stayed with it, you showed up, you pushed through, and that's where growth begins. Carry that same focus and patience with you beyond this workout. The discipline you built here will show up in how you live, move, and think every day.